Let's learn how to make vegan chocolate mousse together, the molecular way. So to get started, we've prepared 200 grams of coconut milk fat, 38 grams of cocoa powder, 45 grams of powdered sugar, and 1 gram of pure vanilla extract. And don't forget the 0.3 to 0.4% of xanthan gum. We'll begin by mixing the coconut fat with the hand mixer until enough air has been incorporated to form stiff peaks. A bonus tip is to chill the coconut milk overnight in the refrigerator or open for 10 minutes in the freezer. This will give you the best consistency and separate the fat from the liquids. Once we have those stiff peaks, we are ready to add our other ingredients. Blend the cocoa powder, powdered sugar, and the vanilla extract. We are going to hold off on adding the xanthan gum until these ingredients are incorporated. Whip until stiff peaks are formed and no clumps are present. Now is the time to add xanthan gum powder. We will add 0.3 to 0.4% of xanthan powder, scaled to the recipe. Xanthan gum is great at adding thickness and mouthfeel. Mix all of the powder into the mixture to create a uniform mousse. Due to the coconut milk fat, this mousse will not thicken the same way a non-vegan mousse would do. This is because of the saturated fat present. Adding xanthan gum will restore that well-loved texture while keeping it vegan. Next is to serve the mousse to your guests or enjoy it for yourself. Serve it with some powdered sugar sprinkled on top as shown here. Overall, this recipe is very easy to follow and fun to make. It has a great thick consistency and creamy texture similar to the mousse we are familiar with. Here we have it, vegan chocolate mousse using xanthan gum, up close to show how great the texture is. Thanks for watching.